Welcome to my channel, and hopefully you are finding this interesting. I'm Steve Paxton, HARKO Day Trading. I run a trading community. I trade live every day with real money in my community and have done this for about 6 years. My trading experience is over 25 years in all sorts of markets. Quick explanation, I trade in my trading room live. So if you want to see a live trading room and join in on YouTube, I stream my live community onto YouTube every Tuesday morning before the Northern European market opens. So quick run around my YouTube channel. There are various playlists of previous videos, of help videos and support. There are lots of educational, all in different playlists, and a brand new playlist that I'm putting together now is my live room recordings. So what I'm going to do is a couple of recordings a week, and now this comes with a health warning. There might be some hurty words in here, but it is recordings of real trading with real people, using real money, winning real money, and also losing money also. But it will give you an idea of what real trading is about. It's going to be uncut, unfettered. They'll all be about roughly an hour. That's how much we trade every day, around about 1 hour a day. That's all you need to earn a living. So look at the playlist down below. It will be called Live and Uncut, and I hope you enjoy it. Got any questions, let me know. We do use AI technology a lot, so I do have something called the Daily Edge as well. You can get that sent straight to your inbox every morning if you're interested. I use AI technology to search around about 160 open sources every single morning. I gather all that information together, and then I compile it, assess the technical view, and set up my top 3 buy and sells for the day with entries and exits and ideas, and we actually use this live every single day in my room. But if you want to get it delivered to your email, check the links below. It's called the Daily Edge. If there's no links below you can't find, go to my website and it is on there. So any questions you've got about my trading room or about trading, or videos that you want to see that are not there, let me know. I'll do my best to build them and put them on YouTube for you. Happy trading, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.